What is up, everyone? Volathis here, and kind of have a little something unboxing to do. Just got some new Razer products. Totally not sponsored, of course. But first off, I have the Razer Nabu, which is a nice little wristband. And the box is already smarter than me, so this is a good sign. Where's my knife? So, they were just having sort of a special, and I wanted some things. So I got some things. So let's see here. The Razer Nabu has been one of the items I've wanted to get. Just haven't had the motivation here. So we'll open it up here. Oh wow. So the box opens like this. And we have the little... That is really tiny. Slide to unlock. Okay. Okay. So okay, fits my wrist pretty well for a small to medium. Take the plastic off. Maybe not. There we go. Probably has no power right now because it's fresh out of the box, but looks cool regardless. As part of the special, I got the Goliathus, which is just a little mat here, very decently sized mat that I'm probably going to use on my desk now. And that's a heavy box, which probably has the cords in it. Next we have, if I can open it, the Razer Naga Chroma, because my current Naga has been giving me problems with the scroll wheel, and I figured if I am destroying this box, so I figured if I was going to get a new keyboard, might as well get a new mouse. So obviously this is going to be basically the same as my old Naga, except for it's going to have pretty lights apparently, so that works out. Oh, this is a weird feel just because it's so new. So, yeah, it'll probably look better once it's plugged in and lighting up. And then we have the Black Widow mechanical keyboard Stealth. I'm not sure how stealthy that's going to be. I'm hoping that it's not as clicky compared to mechanical and sounding. Oh look, I can open this box. And I have a lovely little message here. It says, "Congratulations, there's no turning back." Instructions. Well, let me get this baby out of here. Get a feel of it. Quite heavy to my knowledge. I believe just the Razer keyboards in general are very a lot heavier than me. This is a very thick cord. I'm very quiet at what I do. So that is a really... Oh, it has a few cords here. One's for sound stuff that I probably won't use, so we won't bother with that, but we have a keyboard here. And so it is still kind of clicky. So that's going to be picking up, but it definitely feels like a faster keyboard for me. I can play with the lights. I'm going to take a few minutes here to get my desk set up and try these things out. So 1 minute here. So we have it set up. I'm just going to steal my webcam here. And this is a really bad idea. So the lights are working. They're just kind of doing their own thing. We have the mouse, that, and down below I'm charging the Razer. I like the lights. I just have to do some software updates, and I like the ability for the macro keys, and it is kind of clicky, but it doesn't sound as bad as the normal mechanical keyboard, so I will be enjoying this on my channel. Hopefully it's not too loud. Oh, that's the number lock. It's just a 1. So, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, more videos to come, and as always, it's been a pleasure, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.